Hey Drone Nerds, Matt here. I've got the new DJI Neo with me today, and in this video, I'm going to show you some of the built-in quick shots. The first quick shot we're going to cover today is the circle. The Neo is powered on, and the front button right here toggles through the available quick shots.
2 meters, circle, 3, 2, 1.
After the drone has completed its circle, you're going to put your hand out and the drone will land back in your hand. Next, we're going to do a droney.
Rocket, spotlight, direction, follow, droney. 4 meters, droney, 3, 2, 1.
Lastly, we're going to do a rocket.
Circle rocket, 4 meters, rocket, 3, 2, 1.
That is so cool. If you have any questions on the DJI Neo, go ahead and put those in the comments. Also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you can see all of our latest Drone Nerds content. My name is Matt. Happy flying.